I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture let's go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to read files from our system using ReadLine method. Alright, so let's go ahead and learn another way to create or to read files from our system, and this method is called ReadLine. We have ReadLine and we have ReadLines, but here I'm going to take ReadLine alone, and then in the next video we'll go ahead and look at ReadLine so that you can be confused at the same time. Alright, but here you're going to get clear on how to use just ReadLine alone, and you can be able to work with it in future. So go ahead and create a simple file and let the file name be fp, and let fp be equal to open. And now you have to insert the file path right in there. Now we have this file we created in the previous lecture, and the name of the file is python.txt, and the content of the file is hello world, welcome to Python programming and you are doing good. Alright, we want to read this file on our console. How can we do that? Go ahead and copy the path of this file, and the path of this file is copied, and we're going to append python.txt later words. Okay, now let's go back to our code and go to the file path and paste that there. And now go ahead and change all the backward slash to forward slashes. Okay, that is very important and very necessary for you to run your code. Okay, and remain just one backward slash and change that to forward slash. Now append the forward slash and put the name python.txt. Alright, now that you've done this, what you need to do is go ahead and see data is equal to empty array. Now let's go ahead and say I is equal to fp dot readline. Can you see that? ReadLine. So if you have this and you want to read that, go ahead and use a while loop and say why I is not equal to empty. All right, something must be in there. Now we go ahead and say data dot append. We need to append the I right in there, and then I is equal to fp dot readline. Okay, so call the readline function, and then you go ahead and close fp dot close. And once you close that, you print out the content of fp and pass in data right in there. And now you've done that, you've done everything. Go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. So the content of the file is, wow, no content printed out. So let's check where there might be a problem, and we have this to be fp equal to open, and this is the file path we want to read, and I equal to fp readline, and I ensure that the content of this is not empty. Then go ahead and insert that, and I equal to fp.readline. We close fp and we print out data. Alright, so go ahead and remove this space right in there. That this is just go ahead and say why I is not equal to empty space. So don't give a character right in there, because if you put any character there, it's not going to print out anything. It's going to wipe out everything right in there. Now let's go ahead and check it out. I've removed the space because space is a character. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this code one more time and check it out. So hello world, welcome to Python programming and you are doing good. Now you have an assignment to do, and your assignment is to go ahead and remove this next line right there. I've taught several times how to remove next line. Go ahead and check out the previous two lectures and see how we removed this next line. That is the escape character next line right there. If you do that very well, you can go ahead and let me know. But if you find it very difficult, please go ahead and let me know, and I'm going to teach you how to remove the next line. It's very simple, and in the coming lecture I'll also give you that an assignment too, so that you can be able to remove the next line by yourself. That will help you to become good and to always practice to become better as a software developer. Now if you have any question, please go ahead and let me know by using the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. But at the moment, put this down in your own system and play with it and check out more on that, and I'm going to see you guys. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video lecture.